Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today, as you can see from the thumbnail, I am going to talk about a thing that is very risky, and it's very important for our safety, for our coins, but not only for our crypto coins, but for everything that is related to our economic safety, our privacy safety, or anything that we keep basically on our personal PC. And basically we're going to talk about Winrar, which is a program that that many people in the world use. Many people, I'm pretty sure that 100% of the people trust this program, as I do also. But unfortunately, because I have always used this program, and maybe I'm going to use it again, but for now I'm not. And the reason is because there is a vulnerability on this program, and basically I found this out on Ivan on Tech channel. I'm a huge fan of this guy. You can go to his channel and watch and learn very technical things of how this exploit, like it's called, or vulnerability, works in Winrar. So if you want to know more technical things, you can go to his channel and you will find there very technical and useful things on how this works and how you can protect yourself. But obviously I'm going to talk in this video too, but I just am going to say what you have to do in general, and not tell you technical things, how they have managed to get to get this vulnerability, or to get this virus, we should say, so we can be clear for most of us, and so you can be safe with your PC and with your coins if you have your wallets and your coins on your personal PC. But as I told you at the beginning, this is not only for our coins, because if you get this program, this malware, this virus, however do you want to call it, on your PC, then basically you can lose all of your data. You can lose, for example, your credit card data. You can lose your bank data if you use your bank with your personal PC, which I'm pretty sure millions and millions of people on the world does this. But obviously this can be true even on the phones, because Winrar, as you can see now, has a version for Android also, for which you can download on Google Play. Also it has a version for Linux. So basically for every system, operating system that is out there. So as you can see in here, 3 days ago on the Reddit page of r/Bitcoin, it comes a post where it says basically that we need to patch our Winrar or basically lose our coins. And to make it short, if you get this vulnerable version of the Winrar, which is a version that is lower than version 5.7, which unfortunately 5.7 it's the latest version. So basically you need to patch, you need immediately to patch your Winrar to version 5.7 or higher when it comes out, because for now 5.7 is the latest version. And basically I'm pretty sure that I can say that more than 90% of us that use Winrar, which again we are millions and millions all over the world, we don't regularly update Winrar. I'm pretty sure about this. So basically guys, if you have a version of Winrar that is version 5.70 or lower than, well, 5.70 basically, or theoretically it's not vulnerable, but anyway, you can try this version if you have an older version. And what you need to do to be safe for this, basically that is what I did and what I can show you you can do. First of all, you need to go and uninstall your current Winrar, even if you have the version 5.7 after you have updated. Then go and search on your PC everything related to Winrar. You just click on the search bar on your PC, WinRAR, search. If anything comes out, exe files especially, you just delete them all. And basically, as you can see in this article in here, it says that the DLL that contains the actual bug is called unicef2.dll. so basically what you can do after you have uninstalled your current WinRAR and search for WinRAR in your PC, then just to be safe, do a restart of your PC, then go in this page, copy this name in here of this file, then go to your PC again and hit on search, and then search for this file. If this file comes out, then you just grab it and delete it from where it is, delete it from the recycle bin, do a restart, or otherwise you will not have a good time. Okay, I have already looked out for this file, and fortunately for me I don't have this one, but there is another way you can be infected right now, and as it says in here, you have to check this folder, basically the startup folder. So you can copy this, go to run command, obviously paste it in here, click OK, and it will take you to the startup folder. And if in here you find this file, exe file, Intel audio files, because obviously the bug or the virus is disguising itself, then you go ahead and delete this one too. But after this, you look for this file the same way you did for the previous one. So basically you select this in here, then you go to this PC, so you can look on all your PC, then you obviously click on search, you search for this file. Hopefully you don't have this one. I don't have it. I have checked for this. So basically, yeah, this is really bad. And then, as I was saying, I'm not going to technical things, but basically if you install if something comes up like TeamViewer, for example, because this program disguises itself like TeamViewer, because I know that most of you guys can say, but how do we find out that this is a vulnerable version? If you get something like TeamViewer popping out to install something, or Intel audio, or anything that seems suspicious, that basically comes out something that you didn't do, then basically your computer is infected. So be very careful. As you can see in here, the payload tries to fool you into thinking it's TeamViewer. So be very careful. And always, as I often mention, if you want to be 100% sure, you go ahead and use only cold wallets, especially for the big amounts. If you have big amounts of coins, you just use hardware wallet, because it's the safest way you can protect your coins and your investments, obviously. So be very careful. But as I told you, this is not only for crypto. This is basically the same thing for credit card information. This is basically the same thing for bank information, because if this program installs on your PC, maybe it can install a program that records what you're typing, so a keylogger, or anything else that may steal your data. So basically this is a very important and very dangerous thing that you have not to look out and get it for granted. You just you need to be very careful and act immediately. Go to your personal PC or any other PC that you have used with WinRAR, your USB drives, anything you have on with this kind of file. Go ahead, uninstall the program, search for these files I told you on your PC. Hopefully you don't have them there. If you have them, I really suggest, if you can, format the whole PC, format all your hard drives, your USB sticks, so you can be 100% sure that you don't get this virus, let's say, so to be more clear for everybody. Because as we know, there are millions and millions of people that use Winrar, so basically hope no one gets fooled by this one. But anyway, I just wanted to tell you guys to be sure. Me personally, I'm not going to use Winrar anymore. As I told you, I have uninstalled it. I have looked my PC for these 2 files that says on this article, and I don't have them, fortunately for me. So you can use another program like 7-zip or another program like Winrar if you want, or you can use the basic zip program that Windows 10 has. So yeah, you can choose whatever you want. But anyway, I just wanted you guys to let you know to be safe, to be very careful, and to act immediately. Especially if you do have a version lower than 5.7. Be very, very careful. Don't open random Winrar, especially if you download torrents, if you watch movies, if you watch online movies where you get many pages that loads up automatically. You have to be very, very careful. Or especially when you get suspicious emails, when you get suspicious installing programs popping up on your PC, basically you are infected. So you have to be very, very careful, otherwise you are going to lose all your funds that may be on your PC if you are using your PC. But basically I know that millions and millions of people, I keep my coins and my data on my PC, but I try to be as careful as possible. So I thought I should let you guys know for this vulnerability. Okay, then let's not make this too long. As I told you at the beginning, if you want more details how this works and what you can do, you can go to Ivan on Tech page and see there how this works. But if you want to be safe quickly, you can do what I told you on this video, and hope you guys are not infected with this bug. Okay, then that was it for today. I hope I was clear. Obviously, if you have any question or doubt, you can ask on the comment section, and I will try to help you guys with this thing, because this is serious. It's very, very serious, so you have to be very, very careful with this one. And yeah, as always, before we go, all that good stuff, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Also turn on post notifications so you never miss one of my videos. And yeah, like and share them, because it will help me very much. And as always, catch you guys on the next one. Bye bye.